So today I'm here to answer the question, what is this whole flipped classroom thing and what do I have to do? This is a really good video to watch with your parents to give them an impression of what this whole flipped class thing is, why you're not going to have regular homework, why you're going to be watching these videos with your teacher talking to you on the screen. So the purpose of a flipped classroom is basically this. Instead of me lecturing you all day in class and then you going home and doing the homework at home, the learning activity where you actually process the information, what we've done is we've flipped that. You'll go home, you'll watch the video lecture, and then you'll come to class and you'll practice the information. When you're practicing the information in class, you have both myself and your peers to help you practice that information correctly, because it's not practice makes perfect, it's perfect practice makes perfect. So basically the whole idea behind the flipped class is that you're not going to have note-taking in class, you're going to do mostly group activities in class. The note-taking is now your job, and this is instead of regular homework. So how do I access these video lectures? Every single video lecture is going to be posted into your Edmodo account. The link will always be there, and it will be posted there for the video. It should be posted a few days before I'm even going to assign the video, and then the video will be posted a few days before the notes are actually due. The due date for the notes will also be posted. So if you only have internet access, sometimes you don't have internet access at home, so you need to make plans to go to the library or do it during lunch, you will have plenty of advance notice for getting that done. Anywhere you have internet, a computer, iPhone, a phone, just a tablet, your iPod, however you access the internet, you can watch these videos. I've made sure that where we're posting the videos is visible to all of those. And you can get free internet, the library, McDonald's, school. Sometimes your parents might have it at home, or you have friends who have it with home, or relatives, and you can go there. So once you watch the video, what are you going to do with it? Your job is going to be taking Cornell style notes. So I have here a sample drawn Cornell style notes with each of the parts labeled. So the first part you'll do, the first thing you'll do after you set up your weird Cornell note T is do the focus questions. So the focus questions go here. This is why it's a weird T, because the middle of the T and the bottom don't line up. That gives you plenty of room to write your focus questions. The focus questions will be posted in Edmodo with the notes. And what they do is they provide a direction for your notes. You'll know you've taken good notes when you can answer the focus questions with your notes. So they're posted in Edmodo and they're answered by your notes. Then the biggest section is the notes. And that's where you'll write definitions, you'll write examples, you'll write pictures, things that both you and I deem important from the videos. And we're going to practice that a lot in class. And at the beginning, there will be guidelines, outlines. In the first board, there are 3 things to write down. In the second board, there's 2 things in a picture. There'll be guidelines so that you understand and I understand what is deemed important from these videos. The last section of the notes are 2 sections you're not actually going to have to touch at home. It's going to be the student-created questions and the student-created summaries. And these are going to be things that we'll do together as a class, as a startup within our small groups once we have the notes taken.